Now that we've learned how to make a martingale collar, let's learn how to decorate it. So what I've done is I've typed in some text and I've used the heart shape to create Love My Motley Mutt. Now Motley Mutt is the rescue group that I make collars for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on a plain collar using Cricut Infusible Ink. So it's important to size this so that it fits on the width of the webbing that you're using for your collar. This particular collar is 3/4 of an inch webbing, so the height is set to 0.55, which is less than the 0.75 for 3/4 of an inch. Okay, once I do that, I want to make sure that everything is selected and it's attached, and you can see that it says detached, so you can see that I've already done that. Okay, so now let's click Make It. Now with Infusible Ink, we need to mirror, so I'm going to turn Mirror on and then click the Continue button. And select Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet. Now I'm going to set mine to a little bit more pressure because my blade isn't brand new. And now let's go make it. Next, let's put the Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet on the standard grip mat. And you can see that I'm putting it right side up. So this is the bottom side and this is the right side. I have my fine point blade in. Insert my mat. And hit go. Okay, to get the Cricut Infusible Ink off of my mat, I'm going to turn the mat upside down and peel the mat away from the sheet. I can still use this, and I will. I tore it taking it off the mat, but we can still use this because the letters aren't torn. So what I'm going to do is bend it, put my fingernail in there, and tear it so I can have a starting point. And you can see I'm kind of holding it on there, the part I want to stay. Okay, there's part of it. And now we'll get the other half. Okay, the bright side of tearing it is it's easier to start. There. When we made the patterned collar, we finished it. If we want to use infusible ink, we want to do everything except attach the last end. This will allow it to lay flat when we apply the ink, and by finishing the rest of the collar, we know what side is the outside side of the collar. Okay, so we need to leave enough room to be able to fold it over and sew, so we don't want the infusible ink going past this point. And we need to warm up the collar for 15 seconds. Actually, I'm going to go this way. half. Okay, so about here is where I want to go. So now I'm going to put it on, press it down. It's a little toasty warm. Cover with the butcher paper and press using light pressure at 380 degrees for 40 seconds. There you go. And that's right in the webbing. Now we have a really nice martingale collar that is personalized with infusible ink.